warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good morning students.
Good morning.
Before we start our lesson today, please reciting Basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, I will check the attendance first. So who is absent today? No one. Okay. So before we start our lesson today, I want to make sure that you are ready to learn about these materials by doing the warm up. So the rule, if I say good morning, you have to say hi. And if I say good afternoon, then you have to say hi. And when I say good night, then you are not allowed to say anything. Is that understandable?
Yes.
Okay, let's try it. Good morning.
Hi.
Good night. Okay. Good afternoon.
Hi.
Good morning.
Hi.
Okay, give applause to us. Okay, so before we enter to our activity, so I want to ask the question: what material did we learn in the last meeting?
About concept
Okay, you're right. Then I want to ask some question about public facilities. Have you ever heard about that?
Yes.
Yes. Have you ever used?
Yes.
Yes. Please, if you have to use the public facilities, so what should you do? Nafa? Oh, you Transmarang. And what should you do when you use the public facilities?
Follow up.
Oh, follow the rules. Okay. And Adele? Okay. And oh, you by motorcycle, so you are not to public transportation. Okay. Then Nafis?
I use motorcycle.
Oh, and Jojo? What should you do when you use the public facilities?
Maybe be mindful of others.
Oh yeah, so we are used to be mindful to others. Okay, so based on the previous questions, we have a learning objective. Okay, after learning related vocabulary and then language features and generic structure of short narrative text. So I hope students will able to identify the appropriate citizens' right and responsibility by the deviation through the oral presentation clearly. Okay, and so the assessment today is observation of students' collaboration and presentation. So our main activity today we are going to identify the appropriate citizens' right and responsibility through the cases of its deviation in groups. Okay. And before we continue to the main activity, so we have to do the quiz. The quiz is about vocabulary quiz in the interactive. So the link Okay, so all of you already done the assignment, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, good job. So now look at to the screen. So we have three pictures of it. So we are going to the first picture. So Asti, what do you think this picture about?
It is about the fort
Okay, you're right. Then, so I will give a brief explanation about rights and responsibility. So the rights are the freedom given to individual by the law or the Constitution, allowing them to live with dignity, security, and equality. And responsibilities are the obligation that citizens must fulfill to contribute to the well-being of society and maintain a functioning democracy. Okay, so we are going to the main activity. So we as a citizen are entitled to our rights and carry out our responsibility. But however, now there are many deviations from that. So have you ever seen it, Elkut?
Yeah.
So what is the example? Bullying about what?
The different religion.
Oh yeah, bullying about the different religion. Do you agree?
Yes.
Any other opinion? What apa?
I think smoking in the school area.
Oh yeah, do you agree with that? It's deviation.
Yes.
And here I have three short narrative texts about its deviation. So who wants to read the first case? Okay, Elkut, please read.
Dinda really wants to go to school, but the school refused to accept her
Last year.
her last year because her parents could not afford the expensive extra fees.
Okay. So how many problems we have?
Three.
Okay, so to solve the problem, we are going to make three groups. Okay, so please start count 1 until 3 from Elkut.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, and you should gather with your friends with the same number now. Okay, so who is the first group? Okay, right here. And the second group, right here. And the third group, right here. So here is the worksheet. Okay, in the worksheet we have three texts. So the first case is for group 1. Okay, you must do the assignment based on the first case. And then the second case is for group 2. Okay, do you understand? Okay, and the third group, you will be do the assignment by case number 3. Okay. So the first instruction, you should read text carefully, and then you have to answer the question based on the text. Okay. So I will give you. This is first group and the second group and the third group. Okay, so you have 30 minutes only to do the assignment. Please have the assignment now, okay? Okay, time is up. Now present your result of your discussion in front of the class. Who wants to start the presentation? Okay, so the last group, okay? So the third group, please present your discussion in front of the class. Okay. We start now.
Okay, we are from group 3 and we will present our the environment.
So, do you guys agree with that answer?
Yes.
Okay. So please give applause for group 3. Okay, your answer is already correct, okay? So please move to the next group. You can sit down again.
Okay.
And now we are going to evaluate our problem solving. So please convey your challenges in solve the problem. Okay, so each group should discuss about the challenge. Please, who wants to convey the challenges in solve problem? Okay, so group 3, please.
There are many opinions from our group, so we are confused to unite the answer.
Also, you are confused to unite the opinions of your member. Okay, so based on your challenge, I think you should take all the opinions from your group that exists, and then you should filter the answer through the agreement of your each member. Okay, so do you understand? Yes. Okay. So thank you, Nafa especially, and Group 3 for conveying your challenges. So the last, we have to evaluate. No, we have reflect our today's lesson. Okay. So I have sticky note here, and I will give you one by one. And then first you should read your nickname in above. Okay, and in the below you should write one important lesson of today's lesson. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so if you are done to write, then you should stick it in this board. Okay? Okay. So I'll give you one by one. So, this is your reflection today's. Okay, thank you very much. Please give applause. Okay, I want to give one conclusion of this material. So citizens' right and responsibility are interconnected. So if you want to enjoy your rights as citizens, so you should follow your responsibility as a citizens. Okay, so for the next meeting, we are going to discuss about types of norms. Okay, so I hope you prepare for the next materials. Okay, I think it's enough. So before we close our lesson today, please recite Hamdalah.